Do you feel like you spend 10 hours studying, but remember almost nothing? You sit at your desk all day, you feel tired, you feel busy, but when it's time for the exam, your brain is empty. You are not alone. This is exactly what most students experience. And here's the hard truth. The problem is not your effort. The problem is your strategy. Right now, you are working hard, but in the wrong direction. So in this video, I'm going to show you how lazy students get straight A's, not by studying more, but by using high-yield methods that save time and actually work. If you apply this, you will study less and remember more. Let's start with why your current method is failing. Most students believe that studying means reading notes, reading textbooks, highlighting everything. It feels productive. It looks like progress. But your brain is not learning. It is only recognizing. Recognition is easy. Understanding is hard. And exams don't test recognition, they test recall. That's why when you see your notes, everything looks familiar. But when you close the book, you remember nothing. So instead of reading more, you need to change how your brain works. Step 1. Active recall. This is the opposite of reading. Instead of putting information into your brain, you force your brain to bring it out. Here's exactly how to do it. Let's say you are studying a topic like photosynthesis. You read it once, not 3 times, just once. Then close your book. Now ask yourself, what do I actually remember? Take a blank page and write everything you know. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't try to be perfect. Just write. This is called the blurting method. You are dumping everything from your brain onto the page. Then you check your notes. Now you compare. What did you forget? What did you misunderstand? That is your weak area. And that's where real learning happens. Now you go back, fix those gaps, and repeat the process. Read briefly, close the book, blurt everything, check, improve. This forces your brain to struggle. And that struggle is what builds memory. Here's a simple shift. Don't say, I studied this chapter for 2 hours. Say, I tested myself 5 times. Because testing is learning. Now let's move to step 2. Spaced repetition. Even if you understand something today, you will forget it tomorrow. That's not failure. That's how your brain works. But smart students use this to their advantage. Spaced repetition means reviewing information right before you forget it. Not too early, not too late, just at the right time. Here's a simple system. Day 1, learn the topic. Day 2, review quickly. Day 4, review again. Day 7, review again. Each time, it becomes easier. And the memory becomes stronger. Instead of cramming everything at once, you spread your learning over time. That's why top students don't panic before exams. They've already reviewed the material multiple times, without stress. You can use apps like Anki, which automatically schedule your reviews. Or keep it simple. Use a notebook. After studying a topic, write down when you will review it. You don't need complicated systems. You just need consistency. Now here's the secret most students ignore. Parkinson's law. Work expands to fill the time you give it. If you say, I will study all day, your brain relaxes, you get distracted, you waste hours. But if you say, I have 45 minutes, everything changes. You focus harder. You move faster. You avoid distractions, because time is limited. So instead of long, slow study sessions, use short, intense blocks. Set a timer, 30, 45, or 60 minutes. During that time, no phone, no distractions, just one task. Then take a short break. This is how lazy students win. They don't waste energy, they use it efficiently. So let's bring everything together. Stop reading passively. Start using active recall. Use the blurting method to find your weaknesses. Review using spaced repetition so you don't forget. And limit your time so you stay focused. This is not about working harder, it's about working smarter. So here's your challenge. Today, pick one subject. Use active recall. Use spaced repetition. Set a timer. Test this system once. And you will feel the difference immediately. If you want more strategies like this, simple, practical, and powerful, subscribe. Because smart students don't do more work, they do the right work.